We are at Dorfold Hall today, where we've just installed 3 large pieces of equipment to deal with the day-to-day running of the hall with regard to wedding venue.
So Dorfold has been in existence since 1616. It was built for King James I to come and stay in. It's been a family home up until 2017 when we decided to open a wedding business. We have 10 bedrooms that we rent out to guests during the weddings, and as a consequence obviously it generates quite a lot of linen and laundry to be done, so hence the original need to create a laundry.
The problem that Candice had generally with her laundry was that she was outsourcing to a local launderette. The quality that she was receiving for her high quality hall and wedding venue business was not good enough for the end result.
We needed to be able to do very quick turnovers because obviously from one wedding to the next we've only got about 4 hours to just do all the laundry. So that was the main criteria, and then obviously where would it be positioned in the house?
Access is always going to be a problem in an old family home, especially in a basement situation. We've got to go again from ground level down into the basement area. We've got to move it on floor that's uneven. We've then got to produce ramps to get the equipment down to the levels.
My mum mostly has had a Miele machine for about 30 years and it's still standing and working, so that seemed like a very good idea. I think it's quite well known that Miele machines are very good quality and they're German and sort of hard-working and very long lifespans, which is what we were after.
We'll do several site surveys, specifically talking about the services, the water, the drainage, the ducting. All that has to be in place for when our final installation is going to take place. We've installed a PW818 18 kilogram washing machine along with a comparable 20 kilogram tumble dryer, both electric heated, and then to finish off the process a 1700mm long diameter ironing.
So the installation process was seamless. It all happened within one day, which obviously was very good for us. We were just about to start our wedding season as well, so it was important that it was done very quickly and efficiently, which it was.
The after-sales care is of a very high quality. There is many questions that get asked from customers, especially when they're not used to commercial equipment.
Liva have been on site a couple of times to talk to us through every bit of it, and if we ever had a problem we've been able to get in touch and get some aftercare, some really great customer service. I would certainly recommend Liva to anyone who's looking to install large-scale laundry equipment. They have been very efficient from the start and always throughout the process been available before, during and afterwards, which I think is very important when it is actually quite a daunting process. So having all that support was really very helpful.